Hi my dear children, I am very happy to meet you again through this YouTube channel. I know some of you will not understand Telugu language, that's why I am doing this video in English language especially for you. So try to concentrate on my view and concept, don't concentrate on my mistakes because I am not perfect in English. Thank you. This video I am divided into 3 parts, whereas first part is about the intentions and aims of this YouTube channel. Second part is about what kind of videos I am going to upload in this channel, and the third part is about your responsibilities towards this channel. Okay, coming to first part, if you moving on the road, you might have been observing some signboards like way to hospital, way to temple, like that. So if you observe way to hospital, what does it mean? It means this way leads you to the hospital, or else if you go through this way you can reach the hospital. So in the same way, if you go through my words through this channel, you definitely reach the God. So that is my main intention of this YouTube channel. Okay, so if you observe, what is the difference between way to hospital and way to God? If you observe, can you tell the difference between way to hospital and way to God? That is clear. The way to hospital is visible and it is clear, whereas way to God is invisible and it is not clear. That's why people across the world are having so much confusion about God and God's way. So that's why here my intention is to clear your doubts and make you perfect knowledge about God. So here my first intention is to clear your doubts and to give you more knowledge about God. This is my first intention. So the coming to second intention, I think all of you are believing in God. I think if anyone is not believing God, I am going to talk with you later in my next video. So I think all of you are believing in God, it seems. Okay, so if you observe, everyone across the world are telling that we are having only one God. That means everyone is telling we have only one God, but what they are doing, they are fighting each other. But they are different. God is one only, but we are different. Their activities are like this. So here my intention number 2 is to love everyone in the society. So we should not have any differences related to caste and religion and places. So many people are like this only. They are telling we have only one God, but we are different with respect to caste, we are different with respect to religion, we are different with respect to languages, so on, like that. So here my intention number 2 is that to make you love the society, to make you love the society apart from religions, apart from castes, apart from so many things. So my intention is to, you should love everyone in the society. You should not take any differences like that. So this is my intention number 2. Then coming to intention number 3, you know that as well as possible, you know so many things. We are in a very dangerous society. We are in a very dangerous society. You know, so many things are happening in the society. So if we observe, we can't believe a father, he is raping his own daughter. We unable to believe a mother, she is throwing her daughter in a dustbin. We unable to believe a brother, they are fighting with each other. So like that, we unable to believe a doctor, we unable to believe a lawyer, we unable to believe a child also nowadays. So that's why you are in the bad society, you are in the dangerous society So while you are with me, while you are in the school, our teachers are always encouraging to you people to do good things only. So we protected you as much as possible. So but now I don't know where are you, I don't know what are you doing, I'm not in touch with anyone. So that's why here I'm having confusion how they are, how they are doing their works. So I'm having a tension about you, I'm having some feeling about you. That's why I am doing I started this channel. So that is my intention number 3. Here my intention number 3 is that you are in a bad society, you are in a dangerous society. So that's why I should make you, I should teach you so many things that you should be very innocent and you should be very pure with respect to the character. So to develop the character of yourself, I am doing this video. So this is my intention number 3. Okay, these are my 3 intentions towards this channel. So this part is completed, and next thing is about what kind of videos I am going to upload in this channel. I am going to talk with that about. So basing on my 3 intentions, I have classified, or I have divided my videos into 5 categories. In that, first one is about God. In this category, I am going to explain you about God. That means where is He, how we should reach Him, and what are the conditions He told to us. So about God, every inch to inch, I am going to explain you so many things about God. So category number 2 is about society. About society, how we should protect ourselves from the society, and what are the things we need to do for the society. So these type of videos I am going to do in the category number 2. Then coming to category 3, do's and don'ts. I am repeating, do's and don'ts. So in this category I am going to explain you what are the things are necessary to do, what are the things are unnecessary to do. So what are the things we should do, what are the things we should not do. So this is about category number 3. So if you go to category number 4, is about frauds. So many frauds are going around the world. So many frauds. So regarding God, regarding money, regarding devils, so many unnecessary things, frauds are going. We are unable to believe any person in the society. So that's why I am going to explain what are the types of frauds, how many frauds are there in the society. I am going to explain you in the category number 4. So last category number 5 is exclusively about Bible. So in this 5th category I am doing 2 types of videos. First thing is, it is for you people, as so many of you don't know about Bible. If you are interested to learn about Bible, if you are interested to learn about the things in the Bible, then I will explain you so many good things, so many beautiful things, so many wonderful things from the Bible which are useful for your lives. So the category number 2, in this 5th category, number part 2 is about I am doing these videos for those who knows the Bible. First is those who don't know about Bible. The second thing is those who knows about the Bible. I am going to talk with them, because what is the need to talk is because 99% Christians are not following the Bible. 99% Christians don't know about the Bible. So that's why what are the things in the Bible, what you are doing, I am going to discuss with you. in this category number 5. So this is about all 5 categories. First is about God, second is about society, third is about do's and don'ts, fourth is about frauds, fifth is about Bible. These kind of videos I am going to upload soon. Okay, the next, coming to part 3, your responsibilities towards this channel. Okay, in the future I am going to tell you so many wonderful issues or wonderful topics so that your brain may understand or not. So what here my sincere request is to, what are the things I am telling you, what are the things, what are the issues I am discussing with you, you may believe or not, that is your wish, but compulsory you try to think about my words, what sir is telling, is this right or wrong, you should think about it. This is point number 1. Next, about point number 2, if you are having any doubts regarding my videos, or if you are having any confusion with my videos, then you can directly call to me, or you can message me or chat with me. Otherwise, or else you can directly come to me, and you can I will try to clarify your doubts through these. Okay, the next thing is, if I am wrong in my video, with regarding to any concept, then you can tell me, sir, this is not right, sir, this is the way, this is the thing, you can explain me, you can tell me. I will try to understand your concept, and I will try to, if there is any mistake in me, I will try to correct myself. Okay, I am ready with that. The next thing is, I am going to tell you the aim of this channel. Actually, my intention is to change my children. My intention is to set my children in a correct way. So, but my aim is to change the people in the society. My aim is to change the people in the society, or set the people of the society in a correct way through my children. So this is my aim. My intention is to change you people. My aim is to change the people of the society. So this is my aim. Okay, to reach or to elaborate my channel to the society, you need to do some things, because you know me as your teacher and you know about my knowledge, but the people in the society, they don't know about me, they don't know my knowledge. So they come to a conclusion with respect to subscribers and comments and likes. They will see these only. How many views are there, how many comments are there, how many videos are uploaded, they will see these only. So my sincere request to you is that it is in your hand, you should promote the channel to the society. This is your responsibility. Okay, that's why if anyone is not yet subscribed, so please subscribe everyone, and do like if you like it. If you do not like it, then unlike it. Like that only. In your free time, you try to do comment or try to express your feelings about that video. Then I can get how are my videos. So that's why in your free time, try to do comment especially. You can do the negative comment also. If anything wrong is there, you can do negative comment also, no problem. So in your free time, like that only, in your free time, what are the videos in the channel, you try to listen total video. Try to concentrate on the total video. Okay. So the last thing is sharing. So before already I told you don't share to anyone, but now I am telling you, you can share to some fellows. I am listing you. The first thing is, you can directly share to any Christian, those who knows you. You can share to any Christian, those who knows to. Don't share to unknown persons. Then the second one is, you can share to your best friends or those who are having good character. You can share to them. So third thing is, please try to prefer your aged fellows only. So try to send to your friends, your relatives, anyone, but you try to prefer your aged fellows only. This is about sharing. Okay, so compulsory you should share to your known fellows after this video onwards. Okay, the last thing is, you have given me so much support. I am very happy with you, and so many of you are telling your heart about my videos. So many of you are commenting. I am very happy with so many comments also. So till now I am very happy with your expressions through comments. So what is my personal request is that till now it is okay, but I don't know about the future. I think you may you have seen the first video. When you will get the troubles, especially if you do a right thing, then definitely you are going to face so many problems in your future. That is my first video. So definitely I am going to get so many troubles, so many bad things I am going to get. As a spiritual person, I am telling you that I know that. So that's why my sincere request is to, in the future also, in my troubles also, in my problems also, I want your support. So this, please keep this in your brain. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye. I will see you in first episode. Until then, keep watching Way to God YouTube channel.